Please join us in Central Florida for Practical CME's training in Botox, fillers, microneedling, and PRP. I'm Dr. Gregory Zengo, the Medical Director of Practical CME Medical Training since 2008. We've been the premium, small group, MD taught hands-on training choice that is fully accredited for doctors, nurse practitioners, and nurses. Practical CME Training Center is located in New Smyrna Beach, Florida, a short drive from Daytona Beach and less than an hour from Orlando if you're flying in. The site is also around a 2-hour drive from Jacksonville or Tampa Bay. So if you're anywhere in North or Central Florida, Practical CME has you covered.
The day you reserve your space at one of our hands-on courses, you start your training immediately using our accredited streaming online curriculum. Watch at your own pace with narrated treatment videos. You also get dozens of clickable links to the full-text medical literature, downloadable patient consent forms that you can edit, and you can take your time completing the material prior to your hands-on date. You will also get my personal contact information for questions along the way. Then complete the post-test at the end of the course, and you can print your first CME certificate directly at home. You'll have 2 years of access with free updates, so you can always be current with the latest information as you start your new career.
You will arrive in New Smyrna Beach fully prepared for your hands-on day to be held in a clean and comfortable clinical environment, not a hotel, where our maximum class size at this location is only 4 providers, so you are sure to get plenty of attention in this office-based setting. This is where your second MD instructor, Dr. Theresa Huyen, takes over for the small group hands-on session. After a brief review and Q&A of what you learned so far in your online curriculum, we get right to one-on-one intensive supervised hands-on. Because this is a small group training, we can customize it to your wishes. If you attend the morning session for Botox and filler, you get a minimum of 20 units of botulinum toxin and 1 cc of hyaluronic acid filler to inject, but you can add more if you want more experience. The microneedling hands-on in the afternoon teaches you the right multi-pass technique, depths, and endpoints to treat every possible condition. And in addition, if you take the cosmetic PRP course to conclude the day, you will get hands-on experience effectively spinning, activating, and injecting platelet-rich plasma for cosmetic uses in the final hands-on session. Dr. Huyen has been teaching with Practical CME since 2021 and is one of our most popular faculty members. She has been in medical education of nurse practitioners and other providers for over 15 years and is a sought-after clinical instructor for PDO threads. In addition to toxins, filler, microneedling, and PRP, she has many years of experience in aesthetic medicine in her own private practice. Faculty like Dr. Huyen know what a nurse or a nurse practitioner needs to be successful in aesthetics.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Theresa Huyen. My training philosophy includes offering a practical, hands-on approach to learning a new skill or techniques. Example, taking a very complex skill and breaking it down into simpler step-by-step approach that can be easily repeated and mastered. So whether you are a new aesthetic provider, or if you are looking to enhance your current aesthetic skills, our goal is to tailor your training session specifically to your goals and your skill levels. I highly emphasize patient safety, providing you with standardized procedures and protocols, clinical pearls, to help you enhance your result, and very importantly, to prevent complications and to ensure patient safety. I encourage you to continue to practice and be diligent and committed to your learning and improving your skills. I offer immediate feedback as you work during your training to refine your techniques. Additionally, I'm also committed to your success, and we provide ongoing support after you have completed your training with us. Together, we hope to help you achieve your career goals and to elevate your practice in aesthetics. Thank you so much. I look forward to meeting you and working with you.
Since 2008, our goal has been to help people change their careers and their lives one provider at a time. We want to give you that premium small group training and give you a mentor and supporter along the way. The training relationship only begins on your hands on day, it doesn't end there. We accept no sponsors or investment from non medical investors. Quality and value for you is our primary mission. Aesthetic and wellness services have changed my practice for the better. Both myself and all of our other experienced MD instructors want to share our excitement for these services with you and what we have learned over the years, not only from the medical literature, but also from our collective experience treating tens of thousands of patients. Nobody else gives you fully accredited online learning followed by small group, MD taught hands on. Training is backed by the medical literature and taught by providers who routinely hire and supervise RNs and NPs. Everything you need is in one course. We never make you pay for advanced or leveled courses or any kind of phony memberships. Our teaching allows you to design a customized treatment, not apply injector protocols off of a map. And you are always updated with free online course revisions for 2 years. There's absolutely nothing else like PracticalCME's training. Check out PracticalCME.com and look under the live training dates menu item for our latest Central Florida dates. We typically have only 6 to 8 seats for sale at any one time, so reserve your space today and start learning with our online fast track curriculum tonight. If you have any further questions, click the Live Chat Now button at the bottom of our website. You may even chat with me. Good luck as you pursue your new career. Bye.